The Nintendo Switch 2 is already a year into its life cycle, having launched on June 5, 2025, and it has absolutely redefined what we expect from a hybrid console. If you are still playing on your original hardware or just catching up, you need to understand that the landscape has fundamentally shifted. We are currently seeing over 19 million units in the hands of gamers worldwide, and the library is growing at a breakneck pace with major titles that prove this machine is a genuine powerhouse. The initial skepticism surrounding the price point has been replaced by the reality that this is a significant leap forward in performance, build quality, and most importantly, the depth of the gaming experiences it provides. Whether you are diving into the record-breaking success of Mario Kart World or exploring the latest third-party ports that were once thought impossible on a handheld, the Switch 2 is proving that Nintendo's hybrid vision is stronger than ever. Right now, the conversation in the community is dominated by one massive question. What comes next? We are hearing intense reports about internal discussions regarding a potential OLED model, a move that would mirror the success of the original Switch's premium iteration. While official production isn't expected to start until late 2027, potentially landing an OLED version in our hands by 2028. The very fact that Nintendo is exploring this shows they are committed to perfecting the hardware experience. They are looking at upgrading the resolution to a crisp 1080p, which would complement the console's already impressive handheld visuals. While the final decision is still being weighed against the cost of these premium displays, the possibility is enough to make any serious gamer rethink their next hardware purchase. This isn't just about a screen. It is about how Nintendo intends to keep this ecosystem relevant for the next half-decade. The real magic, however, is happening in the library, and if you haven't looked at the roadmap for the second half of 2026, you are missing out on the biggest wave of software we have seen in years. We are getting a mix of high-stakes exclusives like Splatoon Raiders and legendary enhanced editions of titles like Elden Ring and Metal Gear Solid. These aren't just simple ports, they are being optimized to leverage the Switch 2's unique capabilities, making them the definitive ways to play. From fast-paced platformers like Dench Attack to the sheer depth of massive open-world RPGs, the library is evolving to cater to everyone from the casual player to the hardcore enthusiast. Nintendo has successfully bridged the gap, ensuring that the Switch 2 isn't just a gimmick, but a primary console that can stand toe-to-toe with anything else on the market. You have to consider the long-term value here. With backward compatibility keeping your existing library alive and new, cutting-edge titles pushing the hardware to its absolute limit, the Switch 2 is shaping up to be the most important console of this generation. The tech is stable, the library is massive, and the future is being paved with potential hardware revisions that aim for even higher fidelity. We are watching a company that understands its audience, moving from the successful launch phase into a period of deep, sustained support. If you are sitting on the sidelines waiting for the perfect time to jump in, you have to realize that the perfect time was yesterday, and the future is only getting brighter. Stay locked in, because as we track these potential OLED developments and the upcoming game releases, it is clear that Nintendo is not slowing down, and they have no intention of letting the competition steal their spotlight.